Hi guys, today I'm working on an Xbox One. It apparently has no power. I don't know if that's true. Okay, we will start by popping off the front. That's pretty easy. It's actually loose already. Now I think we have to get this triangular thing out of here. Okay, the next thing I do is disconnect this ribbon cable. Okay. Interesting. Is this water or something? There's like some kind of liquid here. So it's not like liquid damaged.
Before we do anything else, I want to put power on this thing and see if it's actually no power. As we see, it's a beep on, beep off. So it's very hard to fix.
Okay, the next thing we do, remove all these 8 screws from the case. Let's put them in here. Lift this up. No, it's coming up. Disconnect this cable here. Let's disconnect this drive, I guess.
I will now just check different power rails for resistances and see if I spot anything obvious. I pretty much gave up on that board. But then, a month later, I had another look. I remembered that there was water damage on the board. And yeah, look what I found. Okay, yeah, these resistors don't look good, do they? So the problem was with these two resistors. They looked like black or something. Yeah, I just tried to clean it. It's still not looking really good. Um, I will now remove both of them and look how the pads are. Okay, I cleaned up a bit more. One resistor was actually open. It was not reading anything anymore. So I put the one that was fine back. It's under the solder mask, you can't see it now. And the one that was bad I replaced with a big one. And just put a wire from here to there. It does the same, you know, it's like, it's a bit ugly, yeah. This resistor was important for the RAM reference voltage, and yeah, without it there, it thinks the RAM is dead or something. So I think that probably fixes it. Let's put it together a bit and see if it works. Okay, I reassembled the important parts. We will now see if we maybe now turn on. Turned on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're staying on. How nice. I think it's fixed. Okay, the HDMI cable is plugged in. Let's see if it displays. How nice! We have a picture. I'll now fully assemble it and yeah, we will test it then. Okay, we are reassembled now. Let's turn on the console. White light is there and it's staying on too. And we still get a picture. How nice. We did it. Okay, I just tested the console for about an hour and it's running absolutely fine. I think that one drop of water fell into the fan and fell onto those resistors. So one drop of water killed this console. Unbelievable. Anyways, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.